preschool time.
Hello, friends! Welcome to Twinkle's number party! Let's count from 1 to 10 together! 1, number 1, 1 yummy cupcake. 1 cupcake for number 1. 2, number 2, 2 blue balloons. 2 balloons for number 2. 3, number 3, 3 little red cars. 3 cars for number 3. 4, number 4, 4 red apples. 4 apples for number 4. 5, number 5, 5 golden stars. 5 stars for number 5. Come on now, keep it going! Twinkle's number party, 1 to 10, let's go! Twinkle's number party, sing it nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Twinkle's number party, let's count it all again, again. 6, number 6, 6 little yellow ducks. 6 ducks for number 6. 7, number 7, 7 colorful lollipops. 7 lollipops for number 7. 8, number 8, 8 bouncy balls. 8 balls for number 8. 9, number 9, 9 cute white kittens. 9 kittens for number 9. 10, number 10, 10 beautiful gifts. 10 gifts for number 10. Wow, great job! You counted 1 to 10 with Twinkle? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.